Glam Fam, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmin Roma here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a good old-fashioned haul. It is actually my birth month. My birthday was last week on Wednesday on the 18th of July. Thank you to everyone who wished me a happy birthday. And also, so I thought I would kind of make this video a haul and also talking about the birthday presents that I received last week. So it's gonna be like a birthday haul, but I also went and got some things for myself from Mecca Maxima. If you want to see that, then just keep on watching. In this video I'm also testing out my new mic, which I got for my birthday from a really good friend of mine. Thank you, Henry. It is the Rode microphone. I've seen a lot of YouTubers use. I know James Charles used it. This is the Rode Video Mic Go. You can use it with cameras, but I'm actually using it with my phone right now. So I am just testing that out for this video. So hopefully the audio goes well. If you think the audio has improved and is better than my last videos, then that would be why. If not, let me know in the comment section down below. Hopefully the audio is much better. This was actually a present from my sister. She kindly bought me a new hangover primer from Too Faced. Now I love this stuff so much. This is the mini. I go through this stuff like there's no tomorrow. I think I probably go through one of these like every month. I'm obsessed with this, so yeah, thank you so much to my sister. Another thing that my sister did get me from Mecca Maxima is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Liner. I love the packaging, first of all. Like, it looks, sorry, I've already got foundation on it, of course, because it's been in my makeup bag. Super gorgeous, sexy packaging. And as you can see, it is very sharp and it's a really nice liquid liner. It's got like a shaking element to it, so it is like a felt tip pen. I have had the chance of using it. I've used it once and it was really nice, but I'm going to be using a bit more so I can get my final thoughts and opinions on it. But yeah, so she got me this as well with like a little gift card from her, from a Mecca. And it says, "Happy birthday, Jazz. Hope you have an amazing day as you deserve the best. So proud of how much you have grown as a chica. Love your long time XXPS. Maybe you can do a YouTube video on this new product." Yes, great idea. I think I might actually do that. So that's one bag done, and it's from Mecca. Thank you so much, Tizzy. The next thing from Mecca, I've not opened this yet. I actually just got this for myself. So I really wanted to try out the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. $21, so it's quite pricey. But I really wanted to try out a really nice new foundation, and I've heard great things about it. So I went into Mecca Maxima today and I got Shade Matte, and I am in the shade Stromboli. I'm gonna go ahead and open that. Ooh. And I just love the packaging from Mecca. It is so cute. And they like wrap it up and everything. So it is like a little birthday present with the pink tissue paper. So I'm gonna go open it. And also, I got my, as a Beauty Loop member, I am Beauty Loop level 2. I got a birthday gift from Mecca. So I got this for free, and this is the Enlightened Mecca Cosmetica Illuminating Body Oil. So this seems like kind of Fenty kind of thing, like, you know, the illuminating body oil where she drips it and like rubs it in. So this will be nice. I can use this on this cruise. It'll be really nice. I love the packaging, first of all. It is so like really high quality. Look at that. It's like high quality cardboard, and it's got gold inside, and it says have a super happy birthday from the team at Mecca, and it says hip hip hooray. So I went and picked this up, and this, I actually looked this up and it retails for like $48. It's just like a body oil, illuminating body oil. So I'm gonna take it out. Ooh, so it's really nice packaging, really, really sleek and beautiful. So I'm gonna take it. Okay. Oh, it smells nice. So it just comes in a little dropper. So I guess I'm just gonna try it out a bit. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in, oh baby, you are. And the next thing I got from Mecca is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I've actually tried out a NARS foundation before, so I thought I would give this a go. I've heard really good things about it. So that's that, and this is in the shade Stromboli Medium 3. So I'm going to take it out. Ooh. That's so pretty. So it's like, okay, yes, I love that. Okay, so that's the shade Stromboli, and that is really pretty. So I also think I'm gonna do a video testing this out. But it is so nice. I love the packaging, and it's like rectangular. That's a glass bottle, which is really nice and high quality, and it's got a pump, which I like. I think, can you lock it? I don't know. But it's got a lid, so that's cool. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to playing with this a bit more and testing it out. But yeah, the lady there, she matched me, and it is like a perfect match. So really nice. Okay, so I actually got some more beauty items from Maya. I went and got these. I didn't get them for my birthday. So I got some baby clothes first for my son. This mustard color I've been loving lately. This is gonna look so cute on him, and it's a really nice warm jumper. It's like fleecy, and this was from Sprout from Maya, and that's super cute. So can't wait to see him in that, and I love that mustard color. It is so cute. And I also got him some pants. I can't like ever go to a shop and just buy myself something. I feel like I need to buy him something too. So, and these are these cute little fresh track pants from Sprout also, and I like how they have the different colored elastic, so that is super cute. And then of course what I got for myself is the Bad Girl Bang Mascara by Benefit, and this I've heard a lot of good things about. I used to have the Roller Lash by Benefit, and it was my all-time favorite ride or die mascara, but I never, sadly never restocked that. Trying out like cheap drugstore mascaras just to save a bit of cash, but I thought I would go ahead and splurge and try out this Bad Girl Bang Mascara. So yes, I'm going to just open it up. So excited. It's got the little instructions. Oh my goodness, the packaging is absolutely stunning. Like, look at that. It is. I love it. It's matte black too, which is cute. Oh, another thing I actually got is the Hello Happy foundation sponge by Benefit. I did also get the foundation. I actually got the wrong shade. There was a bit of drama with that, and then I went up to the Benefit counter and said I was a shade 5. But she actually applied it to my full face, and I was not happy with the coverage at all. It wasn't a foundation by any means. I would call it a skin tint, and reminds me of a tinted moisturizer. Had no coverage. You could still see all my freckles, you could see my bags under my eyes, you could even see my pimples, you could see the redness, you could literally, it was a no for me. So I actually returned it because I was just like, no. But yeah, so I got the foundation sponge, which I'm gonna test out. And it's got one side like that. So that's cool. So I'm gonna test that out with my NARS foundation instead. So moving on to my birthday bag. Let's just put this down because this bag is literally like bigger than me. Oh, okay, another thing I got is the swimmers for my son because we're going on a cruise. It says Little Sailor. It's so cute. So that's from Sprout as well, from Maya. So the next place I shopped was Zara, and they had a really great sale on there. I think it was like 50% off most of their stock. So yeah, that's the receipt. So I went in there and I bought Sunny some cool pants. They're little camo ones. I absolutely love them. So yeah, they are so cute. These are like $12. It says baby girl collection on here, but I'm like, really? I mean, I think that's like, it's got a bit of pink, like light pink. But I think, I'm a strong believer that pink is not just for girls. I don't think colors should be suited for only one gender. I think it's stupid. Plus, more of the baby girls clothes are way nicer. So, and they've got a bigger range, so I thought that is way more fashionable. So I got that for my son. He's gonna look extremely cute in his new outfit. The next thing I got from Zara was a top for myself, and when I tried it on, I got foundation on it, of course. But this is really cute. It's like a turtleneck kind of thing with black trim, and it also has the same trim up on the, it's kind of like curly, and it's on the, what's the word? The sleeves as well. I also got my son a pair of trainers, sneakers if you will, and it's like leather and suede, and they are super cute, and I just love them. They're hard soled, which is cool because he's walking now. These were $14.95, so that's really cool. So what I got from my mum is this, a lot of the stuff's come out, but this is a Holiday Essentials by Bedhead, and it's like for hair, so it's comes with a shampoo, conditioner, a hairspray, and like it says a funky gunk. I think it's kind of like a wax or something. Yeah. This is the wax, so it's hair wax. It smells good. Comes with a hairspray, which is good size for traveling too. It's like 79 mils. So if you're going on a plane, you could take that with you. This is the shampoo, and this is the conditioner. So yeah, that's really cool. Got some nice hair care in there. So the next thing I got was this personal laser hair removal system, which I'm a little bit scared to try out. I might do a review on that, but it looks something like this. It's kind of scary. I haven't plugged it in yet, but apparently you can remove your hair with laser with this. So Next thing I got is some shavers for my mum. Thanks, mum. Next thing is some hair things. Pantene 3-Minute Miracle. This is really great. It's like a 9-day treatment program. So it's like a leave-in conditioner, and I have tried this, but it's really, really good. I also got this really pretty scarf from my mum, and it's beautiful. It's like a nice silk batik, so I really love that. It's beautiful, super comfy, and so pretty, so thank you, mum. Here are the outfits from City Beach, and this is a cute little play suit I'm gonna wear on the cruise, so that's extremely cute. The play suit is from Malula, and it's a strapless one, and it's really, really cute. It's got this cute design on it. It is kind of like soft material, and it also has like straps as well you can add on to it, so that's really cute. Love that. So yeah, this one is another one that I got, and this is probably my favorite by far. Another one I got is this swing dress, which is nice to just chuck on over your swimmers, so that's really cute, and it's a little swing dress, so super cute, adjustable straps. The last play suit that I got is this cute lightweight denim one, and this is super cute retro pin-up kind of style. This is from Ava and Eva, so it's really cute, and it's like denim. It has pockets in it, so love that. Yeah, I think that's just about everything for my haul, so thank you so much for watching. I haven't done a haul in a year or two, about a year and a half, so thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then just let me know. If you like this video, then please go ahead and click that big red subscribe button and join the Glam Fam today. Become a part of the family here. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere the way you smile.